Today in this video we will be talk about Google Cloud for startups. जी बिल्कुल. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe because today we can discuss more than topics, and here's Google Cloud, each and everything and all the person that knows about Google Cloud. So if you don't know about Google Clouds, then this video is just for you. Google Cloud for startups. So let's start. Google Cloud offers a variety of resources and benefits for startups through its Google Cloud for Startup features. And Google Cloud offers a variety of resource and benefits for startups through its Google Cloud for startup features. And here's a lot of things that I want to discuss with you in this thing. And now we can discuss about its different qualities and different categories. So first of all, Google Cloud for startup features and different programs features and different of the program. So Google Cloud for startups, and make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel for the latest updates. So first of all, credit, and I think all of the people that know about credit, and Google Cloud platform can receive up to $1 lakh to build and scale. So if we can use Google, it's a beneficial of honor of the Google, and but it's also beneficial for us, but we can pay for the using Google platform. So credit cloud platform can receive up to $1 lakh to build and scale. Okay. Now I want to discuss a different thing. First of all, credit, and now number two is technical support. Yes, technical support, and startups can access 24 hours to 7 hour technical support, so they can get it. If you want to use Google's things, and you need to update first, and then you can use it for your different benefits and for different methods. So technical support, startup can access 24 by 7 technical support, so they can get it. And now number three, first of all, credit, and number two is technical support, and number three is training and mentoring. And I hope you can know about mentor is like your teacher, and he can give you information about anything. That means he is your mentor. Okay, training and mentoring. Google Cloud for startups provide training resources and opportunities to help them. Okay, here's a lot of opportunities for us in Google platform. So I hope today in this video you will be very enjoying, and if you like, make sure to subscribe. And Google Cloud for startups, and uh, like this I uploaded more videos just for you because you are my viewers. Thanks so much